In this video, we'll be looking at a word problem containing the concept of time and distance. So let's look at the problem. Kamali drove at 80 km per hour for 5 hours to cover 2/5 of a journey. Then she decreased her speed by 5 km per hour for the rest of her journey. How long did she take to cover the whole journey? So this problem is relatively easy. Let's represent the data given. So it states that she drove at a speed of 80 km per hour for 5 hours to cover 2/5 of a journey. So we need to find out the distance of a journey first. So how do we find that out? So the distance covered is 2/5 of her total journey, which is x. How do we find out how much 2/5 of x is? We have a speed 80 km per hour and we have a time 5 hours. So time into speed will give distance. So distance will be speed, which is 80 km per hour, into time, which is 5 hours, and that will give 400 kilometers. Now what is this 400 kilometers? We know that it's distance, but is it the total journey distance? No, because she has only covered 2/5 of x. So 400 kilometers will be 2/5 of x. So using this we can find out x, which will be 1/5 of x will give 200 kilometers. So 5 by 5 of x will give 200 into 5, which is 1000 kilometers. Now after that she travels for the rest of her journey by decreasing her speed by 5 kilometers per hour. First we need to see how much is the remainder of the journey. Remainder will be 5 by 5x minus 2 by 5x, because she has already covered 2 by 5x. So the remainder will be 3 by 5 of x. 3 by 5 of x is actually equal to 200 into 3, which will give 600 kilometers, because 200 is actually 1 by 5 of x. So she has to travel a total distance of 600 kilometers at a speed of 80 minus 5. Why is it 80 minus 5? Because her initial speed was 80 kilometers per hour, and then the question states that she has decreased her speed by 5 kilometers per hour. How long did she take to cover the whole journey? So we need to find out the time she took for the remainder of the journey. So she travels 600 kilometers at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour. This is the distance, this is the speed. So it's very easy to find the time. Time will be 600 kilometers distance by speed. This will give 8 hours. So the total time will be 8 hours for the remainder of the journey, plus the initial 5 hours that she takes. So it will be 8 plus 5, which is 30. So this is a very straightforward problem. You only require the basic formula of speed and time. Thank you.